don't know what's inside beneath the ground. So we often have questions. What's beneath? Where will the fossils lies? We don't know. Where are the fossils and where is everything? We don't know what's in. We don't know where's the roots, we don't know where the mushrooms, we don't know where the truffles are. Well, so we have many kinds of conservations for ourselves. The Art Rover program is the most famous. It's like for 3D, and we can never see for ourselves. If our metal pedals are getting more confidenter, we could see our own great. The Netherlands brand H2L Robotics are doing something more greater than we had projected. For Bruce Leslie, professor said that our own kind of soil is actually not kind of greater than the soil in nature. So for one kind of thing, for the black soil, yes, the black soil wasn't that great. Like sand wasn't it great. It was the cow's dung, DDOMG. So for it's getting more on, and then it gets perspective, and now then it becomes a kind of nutrition for the plants. For one thing we should have done in our own weather. For weather conditions could also make the plant getting more greater. For many sources are getting greater, like for drones. Some people have drones to get fit on, but like too expensive, like DDOMG for accounts is actually hard for everyone. So we only do a little bit. Yes. So we don't do all of it. So it's actually kind of smaller profits we do. And not only like that, there could be like weather please. And then also 750 of these tons are getting actually greater, like for DDOMG getting more greater, and rain. And it became all liquid, so it gets more into the roots of plants. For making like that, scientists are making how weather is going to be on. And we also do it by sounds. Like sometimes the worms come out when we hit the ground really many times. They know it is filling with water, like rain. But it's not. It's just kind of technique. And also for Brazos Arts Fund is actually more greater than the Future of Food project. And actually it's getting on more census and for 3D maps for ourselves, for where the worms are, where the greatest and cleanest soil are, where the greatest things are. We all have this in our compass. Now we only need to get our soil back into the ground. Well, I hope you all have a great time. And I also think we have a lot of discoveries done, and many people has done that. But actually, we don't know what's going to be on next step, because there was a farm, but it has kind of issues because that farm is filled with chickens. Yes, I mean turkeys. So the turkeys are actually, they have poop in the turkey's stand, goes the soil, but it doesn't mix with the soil. So they use cow poop, but the cow poop doesn't mix. So that's why we are trying more inventions to get there. Well, thank you for listening to my wonderful presentation. Bye!